I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to X. First, locate the Sign Up or Register button, usually found prominently on the home page. Next, you will need to provide a valid email address and create a strong, unique password. Remember to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. This initial step takes only a few moments to complete, setting the foundation for your new account. After submitting your initial details, the next crucial step is account verification. You will receive an email containing a unique verification link. Please check your inbox and click this link, ideally within 15 minutes, to activate your new account. Some services also implement two-factor authentication, which might involve providing a phone number for an extra layer of security. This ensures your account remains safe and secure. Once your account is verified, it is time to personalize your profile. Begin by filling in essential details such as your name and a preferred username. Consider uploading a profile picture to make your account more recognizable and engaging. Don't forget to review and adjust your privacy settings to control who can view your information. Taking these steps helps tailor your experience on the platform. With your profile complete, you are now ready to explore everything X has to offer. Take some time to navigate the dashboard and discover all the key functionalities available to you. You can start connecting with other users or join various communities that align with your interests. Begin utilizing the platform's core services immediately to get the most out of your new account. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.